We're here in Rome at the summit of the world air traffic management industry. We're here with Mr. Massimo Garbini, who is the president of ENAV. Thank you very much for talking to us, Mr. Garbini. Your intense involvement with CANSO has obviously meant a heightened profile for ENAV within the industry. Can you talk to us about that, please?
Our involvement in CANSO started at least 7-8 years ago, but we improved a lot the last 5 years because we want to demonstrate our leadership at European level, but also at global level. So the possibility for us to demonstrate our knowledge on which way we are coping with the increase of traffic in terms of efficiency, in terms of safety, in terms of cost efficiency is very important. And also on the environment side, we are proposing our way to manage the environment in order to allow the sustainability of the increasing of traffic in Europe, but all over the world.
Okay, it's interesting you talk about environment. I know that ENAV has won an award for environmental awareness from CANSO. What are the ongoing initiatives to reduce the environmental impact of carbon emissions?
We got actually a lot of initiatives about that, but mainly we are speaking about the new profile of air traffic in terms of flight level, so altitude in which the aircraft are flying, but also to reduce the distance between city pairs, so point to point directly, the shortest route to be followed. Secondly, we are organizing and reshaping all the airspaces in order to allow the smoothest operations in Italy and in Europe. Thirdly, at the airport we are looking to reduce the minutes of burning engines between the startup engines at the stands and the time in which the aircraft is going to depart on the runways, and vice versa, once landing to be in the shortest way, in the fastest way to be at the parking area again. So reducing all the time in which the engines are burning, we reduce a lot the burning of fuel and so the emissions of CO2.
Avionews has interviewed the CEOs of Alitalia, British Airways and Brussels Airlines all during the last month. All were very vocal about the need for the single European sky. What are the technology and human factor pillars to achieve this?
ENAV is actually very much involved in the single European skies implementations. We are at the network level, me are the chairman of the network management board, in order to say that we wanted the single European sky be applied. On the human factor, we are speaking about the possibility of air traffic controller to be involved from the very beginning on the technological development and also to achieve the common human-machine interfaces in order to allow all the air traffic controller to work on the same desk. And secondly, we are looking to functionalize space block to be applied. We are working with our colleagues of Malta, Cyprus and Greece to apply the Blue Med projects. And so it's one of the initiatives that the single European sky is going to be applied.
Mr. Garbini, thank you very much for speaking to us.
You are very welcome. Thank you to you.